Yesterday, all we did was run errands and also get the additional toppers and blocks that we needed. When we came back, I felt a little energetic, so the dirt that we had excess here, I took a little of it, filled a little of this canyon in, and also decided I would fill in the two small bottom sections. And I also planted. I have hostas on the top, and this is a low growing sedum that will fill in pretty quickly. This particular hosta spreads very quickly. We haven't yet decided what we're going to do with the other sections. We don't know what we're going to plant in them. When we go over to our garden, we will thin some of the stuff out and probably bring it over here. But this kind of gives us an idea of just what this could look like. And like I say, I planted it last night, and the hostas look pretty healthy. We even have one that's getting ready to bloom. The temperatures are supposed to be in the mid to upper 90s today, so I doubt that I'm going to be out here doing anything. And it sounds like, from what the weather reporters are saying, that it will be like this all week. Today I am going to order the fill dirt and hopefully have it delivered by Friday. Rob will be over Friday night, and between the two of us, we will get this dirt down here. Our plans are to get the wheelbarrows, dump it into this section first, start filling it up, and then shoveling it from there into these sections, rather than bringing the buckets down. We'll see which works the best. At this point, I think wheelbarrowing it down is better than the buckets, because believe me, those buckets are heavy and also a very slow process. We decided to use these square toppers for the approach, and I did not buy enough at the time to do this side to match it. So we went to Lowe's to try and buy some more, and they have this size block, but unfortunately not this color. And this has a finer finish than what they had available. The finish what they had is more like what's on this type of topper. So we will not be able to complete this until we can find some more. And I only need about 7 more. Now we'll keep looking. Even looks pretty good from up here.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.